the station that's working for you. This is Fox 4 News at 10 p.m.
Jackson County announces property tax relief, capping both 2023 residential assessments and this year's commercial assessments. I'm Scott Kilberry.
Hi, I'm Lauren Halifax. Some business owners are not sure how much they're going to have to pay at the end of this month. Fox 4's Jacob Sloan joins us live from the Jackson County Courthouse tonight. Jacob?
The big question is, how much are commercial property tax owners on the hook for at the end of the month? For residential taxes, yeah, they're getting credits for the next few years of residential property taxes, but for those outstanding bills still due here on December 31st, owners aren't sure if they're paying 15% or if they're getting credits in the future too.
If there's 15% for everybody and this doesn't take effect until a future date, and we're supposed to pay the full amount now, where are people getting this money from? And a credit is good, but the credit doesn't lead to a relief in the moment.
That's because the difference for Kimberly Compton is $30,000. If they're only expected to pay the 15% cap, then Compton says they'll need to act quickly.
From my previous experiences of fighting tax bills in this arena, it takes probably 2 to 3 weeks minimum for the county's website to be updated. So if we're not going to see this reflection, then how are we supposed to know what we are to pay, which will then come back to we'll pay what we were originally told to pay, because if we don't pay, then we'll be penalized with interest and all other sorts of things on us.
At the announcement of the assessment caps today, Lavoda assured taxpayers that he's working to move obstacles out of the way, offering a one-stop hotline and email for tax questions.
You are my highest priority. If I could lift every burden and move every mountain for every taxpayer, I would do so. What I can promise is this: we will keep pushing with tenacity, and we will keep improving at speed. We will keep making decisions to protect the people of Jackson County.
Lavoda also says the authority he's operating under comes from the county charter, but admits it's vague in its language. Compton isn't sure that the next executive won't undo his tax caps.
We're kind of in a shifting wind situation of whoever's in office. It seems that they're trying to gain our vote, or they're trying to gain our approval without real laws supporting what they're trying to do.
In the meantime, there's still money due at the end of the month. If Compton has to pay her 107% increase and get credits back in the future, she's unsure how she'll make it work.
Because people, unfortunately, like myself, took that as a win, and now we're having to figure out, was it a win, or is it not a win, or will it be a future win? And that makes it difficult for just your average business person to move forward with what their budget will be for the coming year.
We reached out to the county executive's office for clarification on those questions. We weren't able to reach him today, although it was late in the afternoon. We are expecting a response tomorrow. We'll update the story on our website when we get a response. Jacob Sloan, Fox 4, working for you.